You want to know how to deposit on Olymp Trade? In this video I will show you exactly how to do it. I'm logged in on the platform, you see it here, Olymp Trade. The most of you know is a reliable broker where you can trade more than 100 of different assets with options with Forex. If we look here, we have a huge diversity for trading. And yeah, this platform is very popular for short-term traders to make a high return of investment, like more than 80%, 90%. It depends on your account level and the asset. I will show you how I deposit on this platform. You see I'm logged in the live account. Here's the live account, and with one click we can switch between the live account and the demo account. When you don't get an account with Olymp Trade, you can look in the description below of YouTube and you will find the registration link for a free registration. If you don't want to deposit with Olymp Trade, you can try it out with this free demo account. Just click here and you see the difference. There's some money on the account left, like $9, and today I will top it up in this video. So how we can deposit? First of all, we can click here on deposit, on the deposit button, and choose the deposit method. But in this particular time I want to use the other menu. If I go here, we can see here the account menu, and if we click on deposit, you see the deposit mask, and this is very important. Yeah, you can choose your deposit method here, and there is the option to chat with employee specialist of Olymp Trade. If you got some questions, you can write it in here. So what's so special about the deposit? You see it here. It's safe, secure deposit. Olymp Trade is regulated. The funds are stored in European banks. And in addition, they offer you regulated payment systems. You see, I can use credit cards, I can use Neteller, Skrill, Web Money, and Bitcoin. And I have to mention that the deposit method is depending on your country of residence. So if you go to this menu here, some guys have more deposit methods than others. This is depending on your country of residence. And yeah, but these are the main methods, and for this time I will use Neteller and show you that. So now you can activate a bonus. In this video I will activate a bonus 2. And yeah, you can click here by this fields here, you can choose it, and for example you get a VIP account with a $2,000 US deposit. But today I want to deposit $150. Yeah, $150 in this account. I think the most traders are deposit around $100, $50, $500. Just start. I recommend just start with a small amount, and if you feel good in trading, if you are profitable, you can deposit more money to make more money. But first I recommend to start with a small amount. The minimum deposit is here only $10, and you can trade with small cent amounts. This is a huge advantage of Olymp Trade, but in this time I want to use $150. So I type it in here, I choose the bonus, here the deposit bonus, and yeah, there's around 20% bonus. And yeah, and Olymp Trade also offers you promo codes. Sometimes if you got the newsletter, they send you promo codes, and you can choose this promo code. You enter your promo code and get additional bonus, but I want to use the deposit bonus, and you also can use no bonus for the people who want this. So what's so special about the bonus? You can't withdraw the bonus. This is very important to know. You can't withdraw the bonus directly. You only can withdraw the profit you made with the bonus, and there are no restrictions on your account. Your account balance isn't blocked if you take the bonus. So this is a very good opportunity to make additional money. So now I click on deposit, and yeah, I have to fulfill this mask with my Neteller account. I'm using Neteller, and I type in my user profile, and then I click deposit. So I will pause this video and will come back when I finished to fill out my personal data. So see you in some seconds. So I did the payment and now my live account got the balance of $159 and you see there's a bonus of $30. So we can trade with this whole amount. If you click here, you see this. And yeah, it works very easy. If you finished your deposit, there will come the message payment was successful and you can start trading with this money. So what is very interesting about this, that your deposit is how's it called, is instant. Yeah, on the platform it's an instant deposit and you can start trading directly with this money. So you can start trading here. For example, you can type in like 0.50 cents or you can type in $5 like you want to trade. Here choose your expiry time and yeah, start trading, start earning money. I showed you what you can earn here, more than 80%, and yeah, and more. That's how you deposit on Olymp Trade. It's a very easy step-by-step tutorial, and yeah, just activate the deposit bonus. If you like it, you see it, your balance is more than, yeah, you get this additional bonus and you can trade with this money. It's on your live account balance and yeah, you see it directly here what your live account balance is and your bonus account, and you can trade with the whole amount and withdraw the profits. I hope you understand it. You cannot withdraw the bonus, just trade with it and earn more money. So all in all, this video was only to show you how to deposit on the platform. I think it's very easy to you. It's very safe. The funds are safe with this broker. And yeah, in the next video we will check the withdrawal and some trading strategies I want to show you. Just give a thumbs up to this video, and if you don't got an account yet, you will find the link in the description below and you can start trading there. So see you in the next video and goodbye.